Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Motorola device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and choose Privacy section. It should be over here. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features. I will go with Location. Then you can pick one of your apps, like Photos, and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, allow only while using, so when I go back, as you can see, Photos just gained access to my device location if I'm using this app. But you can always just pick any feature and then any app, like Chrome, and click on See All Chrome permissions instead. Now you can manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!